That's definitely not it.
Oh, interesting.
Oh no, it's a transit. Oof. I see, she's downgrading.
But yeah, so this is, I know.
Alright, okay, I get it now.
There it is. My new toy. How cute. And we have come with our buyer's guide. We're gonna see how much of this matches up with the NCV3.
It is. They used to be like a guy owned it. He did like retreats.
Okay, yep. She's a little dirty, but you put a roof vent up there already for me. Awesome. What you looking at? Luxury.
You guys can turn it on. Oh, I forgot my phone charger thing.
Okay.
I'll grab that. But you guys can turn it on and stuff if you want. You can open up the and open all that stuff up. Go for it. When you saw the... Thanks, Jason.
Go for the exciting parts.
Hello, air filter. Looks a whole lot different from our van stuff.
I also put a new resonator on it and a mass airflow sensor recently. I did it myself. I didn't have anybody else. I didn't bring it in.
Hand your wallet to Mercedes.
Yeah, basically.
Believe me, I know. That's
Everything in it. Yeah.
you know, that one there has 500,000 miles on it. I blew up the engine when it had less than 100,000 miles on it. Mercedes wanted $17,000 for a new engine. No way. So I had to slowly learn how to fix it. Here we are 14 years later. Oh, she's tired. Yeah, we gotta do this. Oh, wow. I don't have any baseline NCV3s to compare to. I don't know what their block breather is like or anything, so. I mean, if that danced, I'd be worried, but the fact that it doesn't dance really doesn't tell me much because I don't know these vans. It's so quiet.
The death fill up, just EPR.
I believe that's your terminal to hook up for jump starting.
Cool.
Not sure why it's just hanging out down here like that. Seems like it should put in somewhere.
It's a little more agricultural.
Doesn't it seem like there should be a battery box here?
Right, the batteries are under the seat now. Under the driver's seat.
No, you can tell me these things before we look at it.
I'm sorry.
Oh,
It's funnier this way.
yeah, good times.
Wow.
It does have a little tick-tick over here that, well, reminds me of the other story.
The other side has a tick too. They both got tick
Yes.
But where I'm at is that, where's the intake? It intakes from here. From around here, right? And if I put my ear up to where it's intaking here, I don't hear it thunk-thunking the same way.
Right.
Oh, that goes into an intercooler. That's what's going on. Or something, I guess. I don't know. Okay?
Yeah?
Sound okay? Can't quite stand up in it, but that's okay. It's really nice in here.
It is smooth as a goose.
Yeah, I'm not seeing any down in here. That's good.
can't stand up in it, but...
Oh well. Just gotta stand in the wheel well.
Yeah.
Or the door well, I mean.
Yeah. It's bigger. Definitely a lot bigger than...
Yeah. Yeah, I wonder what your side to side is here. This might be wide enough for you to east-west.
Yeah, I was just thinking that. It's a lot roomier in here.
I did bring a tape measure, but we got lots of time for that, I guess.
Yeah. I like that it was a passenger van, so there's already no wall. Oh. And these panels are kind of okay. I could probably put some carpet everywhere there's metal.
What's all that?
There's like 2 layers of roof here.
Oh wow, it's hot as balls up there too.
I can imagine, yeah. Oh, yeah, this thing feels great. Looks like one tire's low and the doors are open. This van has done 253,000.
Hold that?
Uh-huh, it's spring loaded.
Huh. I've had that fucking van for like
Click in right
6
there.
months. I had no idea that.
Damn it, you wouldn't have gotten rid of the van if you knew it did that,
Yeah, right?
New van. And the newest addition to the crew, James Vanderbeak. Vanderbeak is, I'm so sorry to say this, a 2008 Sprinter. And it's got a little limp mode problem. So we're gonna take it home, give it a new life, and see if we can't fix that limp and turn this into Sporty Shorty 2.0. As you can see, it's already been stickered up for us. There's a new patient at the Sprinter mental ward, and he's a little bit different from the other ones. As you can see, we've brought home an NCV3 that very badly needs a bath. And it's got a limp home problem. And this model is pre-DEF. And it's dirty, but pretty rust-free. These are really great rocker panels. Smooth as a goose. Same with the transmission. It's another low roof, common rail diesel. It's got the V6 in it. And today, we're gonna give it a bath before we start diagnosing it. Oh, she's getting a bath. The roof is gonna need some work. There's a lot of paint peeling. The rust is not so bad. There's no holes in the roof, so it's all surface rust and things we can take care of early. As you can see, the roof's kind of almost shiny now even. Quite impressive.